Hello my friends, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Just Shake or Steer and to the winner selection of my giveaway of the Rusty Barrel Shaker set. Yes, it's this time and today we're gonna do it. So before I do the cocktail, I'm gonna do the giveaway selection, winner, drawing, whatever you call it, and I'm gonna do it the old-fashioned way. So if you are new to the channel and we wanna go straight away to the cocktail, make sure you check the timeline in the description, but I suggest you stick away, it'll be fun. I'll see you in a second. Okay guys, so let's do the giveaway, let's pick up the winner and then I'm gonna do the cocktail today. And I'm gonna do it the old-fashioned way. As I mentioned, I have all these names on the small piece of paper which I'm gonna shake because it's a cocktail channel, and we're gonna pick up the winner. So this is my list here, and I have first AAD this DSS UK. I'll put it in. Then I have Social Jingle UK. Then I have I don't know how to say that. Apfelrindi, I don't know. Hopefully from Germany. Yeah. I do hope so, I'm saying right. Black Moon Gaming from Italy. Wonderful. Germany, Italy, UK, everywhere. We have Živko from Bulgaria. We are all over the place. So we have Remco from Holland. Wonderful. We do have the Tribal Bar Guy. Come on, man. But it's in Europe, the rules, it's rules. So it's getting in Peter. If you win, I don't know. We have Max from France. And we have Yetter, Belgium. I don't know if this is the real name or the channel name. You know, some people send their real names, some people didn't, so it's absolutely fine. We have Matthew from UK. We have Action Waction from Netherlands. Wonderful. Romain from France. By the way, if I'm saying anybody wrong name, please apologize. It's very hard sometimes. Adrian from UK. Adrian, okay. Adrian from UK. We have Jan from Sweden. So Jan from Sweden. And two more left. Jason from UK. And Wendy from UK. There you go. Simple as that. As you can see, it's here. We're gonna give it a good shake. Very weird, huh? But give it a good shake. Okay. And now, I'm just gonna pick one name. Whatever I pick. Seriously, I don't know what's happening. And we have the Social Gin Girl from UK. Congratulations. So you're gonna win this lovely Rusty Barrel cocktail set. I have already mine using it. So to win your prize and to be sent to you, please send me an email. Go to my YouTube About section and there is my official email. So you can send me email and we'll take it from there to arrange your delivery. To everyone else who participate in the giveaway, thank you very much. Stick around guys, because I'm planning giveaway every single month. If not one, maybe two, but at least one is gonna happen. And now, let's go to the cocktail. Okay guys, so it's nearly Cinco de Mayo. Yeah, it's nearly May. And as you can see, I'm inside in the room because it's raining. But forecast for May, it's fantastic. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna record so many videos from my garden. For now we stick here because it's Cinco de Mayo and because it's kind of it's a massive and people's gonna get smashed with tequilas. I wanted to share something, I don't know, something which I like. You can call it Strawberry Margarita because that's what I call it on the title, but it's a little bit with a twist, and as you see in the thumbnail, you know what I mean. So let's make it. For this I need Patron Tequila. That's what I'm gonna use. A silver Patron Tequila, or Blanco as people call it. 60 ml or 2 ounces of Tequila Blanco, Patron. Then we're going with the Cointreau orange liqueur. You can go with triple sec. Here it's orange liqueur for me. Now here is the trick. Usually the orange liqueur it's a little bit less than the tequila, but in my version here I'm going 1-to-1, so I'm going with 60 ml of the Cointreau as well. And finally 30 ml or 1 ounce of strawberry liqueur. As you can see, this is a very good boozy margarita, but the point of this margarita is to be drink slowly and enjoy for a long time. So we need a lemon juice or a lime juice. In this case I'm gonna use lime juice because we're doing margarita. I have everything ready and we have some fresh strawberries, which I will come back to them. So 2 limes squeezed directly in the shaker, so 2 of them. You don't need to measure here anything, just get 2 limes, cut them in halves, freshly squeezed please, okay? That's the trick here, don't squeeze in advance, do your freshly squeezed lime. Simple as that. Because we're gonna introduce some fresh ingredients more, and this is these lovely strawberries here. I know I put liqueur because I want to bring basically the sweetness up, and I don't want to use any syrup, that's why I'm using the liqueur. And a little bit more excuse to have a little bit more strong cocktail, why not? I did kind of a questionnaire and people say they prefer to have more boozy cocktail on the channel, so there you go, that's your first one. Of course we're gonna do some tiki and some tropical and some summer boozy sips and tippos, but since it's Cinco de Mayo we'll start with this. Okay, we finished with that. Now I need my other tin, and I'm gonna put 3 big ripe strawberries cut in half. I'm just gonna muddle a little bit to release the juices, and of course we want some of the fruit. However, I will shake and double strain. I don't want any of this fruit to go in my drink. I just want the flavor, the juice, and that's it. Everything else could stay in the shaker, because that's the idea. Right, some ice guys, and we're gonna shake this as we never shake before. Lots of ice. I want a good shake, I want good dilution, and I want it to be nice and cold to enjoy the drink as supposed to be. And I'm keep cleaning, and I don't know, and this is, if somebody asks me why I do that, I think it's because over 20 years behind the bar, I'm so used to it to keep my bar clean. Even at home I have to clean all the time. Okay, so give it a good close, nothing leaking. Perfect shake now. Oh, cold and nice. But yeah, give it a good shake, like at least 10-15 seconds. Like a very strong shake. You want to break these strawberries and you want to incorporate everything just fantastic inside. Now here's the trick. Double strain as I mentioned, but first we're gonna strain in a brand new glass. So I'm gonna grab another tin of my shakers, and I'm gonna give it a double strain. Any of the strawberries dropping in, don't worry about it. That's why it's double strain. My strainer, the spring is very thin, so I need to open it a little bit because otherwise I'm gonna lose lots of the drink. As you can see, it's leaking already. That's the thing of using fresh fruits. Sometimes it's getting really messy, but it's a fantastic idea using fresh fruit. And you know, if you're watching my channel, you know I'm a big fan of fresh ingredients. Nearly there. I probably should choose a different fine strainer because this one is extremely fine. Right, that's done. Let me give it a little help here. There you go. So So when you strain everything, this is the trick. You see my vessel which I'm serving. If you ever have a bottle like that, save it and you can have a lovely cocktails all the time. Right? I don't want to lose any of the precious liquid here. Wonderful. All this can go away. I'm ready to serve, and this is what I'm gonna serve. My vessel, it's another Patron bottle, as you can see. I keep them. This one, it's from my attempt to take a part in the Patron Perfection competition. Didn't go well, but I got a bottle just to say thank you. I get my funnel, and now because it's double strain, everything is inside, no problem at all. I'm just gonna fill up my bottle. And I'm gonna have one huge, massive strawberry margarita in a bottle. Beautiful. Now if you want, here you can top up with some juice if you prefer to be more juicy. I will keep it just like this. All I need is to put one straw, which I have a huge one here, and I'm gonna garnish with a fresh strawberry on a cocktail pick, just like that. Put it inside. And here we go, guys. That's my strawberry margarita for Cinco de Mayo. Hope you enjoyed this. If you did, don't forget, like, share, comment, subscribe. But most important is to hit the like button. That's what YouTube counts. A lot, I think. However, it's all your choice. Thanks for everybody who subscribed. I will make another video on Sunday to celebrate the partner program achievement. Yes, finally Just Shake or Steer joined the partner program with YouTube, so I'm very happy about that, but I'll make a special video on Sunday. Until then, stay safe, make some strawberry margarita in a bottle, and as always, I love you and I leave you now. Bye bye.